Good morning everyone, I'm Councillor Leon Kruisaar. I'm currently here in the Pretoria Gardens area on Honey Street, where I'm at this mini sub. As you can see, people have been complaining about they're not having power. Let me show you. You can see it's been tripped. The mini sub is standing open. Now, this is not the fault of the city as per se. What I can tell you is that there's a person selling keys. We've got people walking around with keys. A lot of these vagrants happen to get their hands on the keys for these mini subs, and it's a walker key, which means that they can actually open any of our locks with one simple key. They can go around. So what they're doing is they're stealing all the locks off these mini subs, simply opening them. But what I am seeing, because I have got eyes and ears all around, I'm receiving videos from citizens, and I encourage you to please keep sending those videos to me. Even if it's just a guy that comes to your gate and looks into your yard and he's busy scouting for something he can steal. So what they do is they come around even during the day, they scout, see what they can steal. Then at night they come, they open these mini subs, they trip the power, and then they go and they just simply steal, jump over your walls. They even steal security lights, gate motors, anything. Motorbikes, we had a trailer with some quad bikes that were stolen. We had a motorbike that was stolen. There's a lot of things that they're stealing. Anything, any opportunity they get, they will take it. But they do go around and they scout first. They make sure that it's safe and they plan. These guys are not, most of them are not idiots, if I can put it like that. They know exactly what they're doing. They come out, they have a plan, they trip the power, they steal the overhead lines. It's a mess, and I simply don't see the police around. I don't see Team PD around. There's no visible policing going on. We are in peril here. We are in deep trouble, and this is something that's not going to go away if we don't do something about this. This is Pretoria Gardens. I've got several properties that has no power here. This has been reported to Fort Sig Depot, so we expect them to come out any moment to come and reinstate the power for us here. Hopefully it won't take too long, because we have quite a few or a number of properties without power at the moment, and this is a continuous issue. This is almost an everyday issue now. We're finding this in Dashboard, we're finding this in Pretoria